This is a second video about Trio series. We have three series: Trio, Duo and Solo. If you don't know their difference, please check out our video about it. And this one is about Trio 120. I just did some statistics. It's our most popular model, most sold model. We've done quite a number of them around the world. Trio 120 is just a more economical model of Trio 150. It's just 3 meters or 10 feet shorter. And it has all the same functionality, same rooms, but it's just shorter. The great room is not so large. Also the open ceiling area, if you choose to have one, is not so large as Trio 150. Usable area of Trio 120 is 121 square meters or 1300 square feet. So you'll have 4 bedrooms, 2 on ground floor, 2 on first floor, and each floor has 1 full bathroom. The standard version already has a dormer, and the entrance is through the dormer, which makes the entrance and lobby area really good, large size. Of course, you can add more dormers, maybe to the kitchen area or the bathroom area to create more light. We also have a video about dormers. Check it out. Like other Avrame TRIO models, it's fully customizable. You can change interior layout, you can add skylights, you can add decks, terraces, you can add dormers. So you can customize it to meet your needs. Also, it's very easy, depending on your plot location, to mirror the ground plan whatever way, vertically, horizontally. For more information about this and other models, we have a link in the description. Please check it out. Then you can see floor plans and print them out if you need. Even being the most popular model of ours, it doesn't mean that this is the right model for you. So if you need any larger, you can see the video about Trio 150. If you need any smaller, the next video is about Trio 100 and why it is good for you.